Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers. So before we get into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an education purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the Forex commodity market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So you can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from that experienced trader through the comments in my post about the Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to my fundamental and sentimental. I will trading and trade it with 100% technical only. What I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So before we get into this week analysis, so this is our watch list, regularly what we are doing for every week, and in this we added this New Zealand CAD JPY and AUD JPY also, and after that, apart from that, it's gold, silver, crude, and Bitcoin. So our watch list is added again the three. So nearly we are watching 16 pairs. So first let's move on to the DXY. Second, I'll check whether it is recording or not. Yeah. So last week I explained that about this creating the base, and it's already broken the channel, and again it was retested this top channel, intermediate inside the channel, and again bounced. So whether it is a reversal sign or this could be one more downside what I expecting last week also. This is still possible. I can't say exactly because Euro USD, GBP USD, it's GBP USD is also already reversed, and EU, AU, NU seems one more high is also possible. It's looking like that in that 4-hour chart. But if you switched into that one daily chart, it's look like bearish. So we just get ready for that also, maybe or may not. So one more low to the downside to break this low, and again it can shoot also. But my positional view is the same from the past 1 month. I'm doing the same thing from here itself. It has to shoot, and again what it did, the same. It's a wedge formation happening, and happen will only in that downside of the end of the trend. I think I will show you here itself. Here the overlapping, and we can't identify that whether the trend is reversed or not, and I already show you that. The same thing here and here. So just we get ready for that. It's 90% for me, it's looking like a reversed. So let's see what happened the next week. But I'm still holding that AU, NU, EU, and I'm not traded that GBP. You know very well, I won't trade the GBP pairs. So I'm still holding that against. I'm just keep buying the dollars only, and UCAD I'm still holding that buying position, and UJ also. So UJ it's a little bit tough to say, and it depends upon that gold and silver. So anyway, if it is dollar gets strengthened, it has to come down, and UJ has to shoot. And stock market, I think when I am explaining, I will explain you that US 30. It's looking like it may reverse from that low happened. It's already did. That is the low, I think so. So I think the stock market is looking bullish. So UCHF also, UJ also, it may shoot from where it is now. So dollar, if it is getting strength, everything that risk off will be play, sorry, risk on will be play. So I think, sorry, a little bit confused in the risk on risk off, sorry for this, confused you also. So risk on, so people are taking a risk in the stock markets and buying the dollars as well as, so sorry for the confusion. And this week I'm expecting that same. Okay, I will switch over in the this thing hourly. So it may again retest up to here, and then again it coming back like this. So a lot has to do here, and then it can shoot, because it's looking like sometime from here itself the low is 91.75. Here is also the low is 91.75. So if we looking like it's a five-way structure, or it could be looking like a three-way structure. So I'm not sure about here, because sometime if we add this also, once again, one, two. So here's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is 5 is over. So whether this is the end of the fifth way, but here this is not looking like a fifth way ended and this one, or whether this could be a fourth, this could whole thing become a fourth, and this is the end of the fifth way. So it may be like this also, but my positional view is the same, so there is no change in that. So let's move on to Euro USD. So Euro USD also, what I said here from that last week, it's looking like a five-way structure. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's okay. Yeah, 5 is ended here, and this is looking like a running flat, and it can come below this, or it can shoot again to the five-way structure here like this, and then it has to come down. What I said like that only. So what here it is happen, the same structure, it's little bit change. So now it's look like the whole thing maybe this is a A, so this whole thing becomes a AB, and C is already started. So now what it will do is maybe like this, and it has to come down, or it will making a little bit complex correction, and then it can shoot to the downside also. But I have already posted that previous on I think on Wednesday or Thursday. It's looking like something, see this channel is not yet broken, this thing what we kept as a here, it's a diagonal pattern in the fifth way. So there is a still chances if it is the end of the fourth wave. So whether this is a W, so X, A, B, C. So there is a lot of chances like that, and one more way to the upside is also possible. So that is why I'm not get conclusion, and I didn't done anything, I didn't add here also. if it comes as per my thing, I said at that 1.1910 I can sell, but I am not sure about this, whether this is the end of that fourth wave or this is looking like a irregular flat and then again it can going to the downside. So that is why I didn't done anything. If I will add means only if it closes below that 1.1695, this low, then only I will add my position. Until if it is on one more high, I can sell here at 1.2150 or 1.2100 or 1.2050. In these levels, within that 1.2050 to 1.2150, in that level I can add my position. So still I'm having that same 1.1810 short position. I'm looking for the downside. So let's move on to Australian dollar. So that is also here no change, whether this is the end of the third, fourth and one more wave, fifth is here, or this is the end of the third and this is the end of the fourth and fifth is already ended here. That is my question, whether if you are new and if you are not watching my previous video, you may got confused here, because I'm having two alternative counts in this zone. So whether it's a B, C, W connecting wave X, Y and then X. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended here, or from here itself it's a B, C as a 1, here is A, B, C 2. So here this third wave is also in diagonal triangle pattern, means this is the end of the third. So this is the end of the fourth, and it may be still one more high too is possible, up to 7.5 also. So the two alternative counts I'm just keep in mind, and I'm having already the position at 7. I explained you here, I think 7310, and I didn't done anything here also, same as an EU. I'm not so confident in here. So, and same thing in New Zealand dollar also. And here is the bearish channel. So we are still inside that only, this bearish channel. Still we are getting inside only, and GU is already turned, and maybe DXY, if it isn't bullish, then everything will become to our way. So whether this is the end of the third wave of this ending diagonal triangle like this, if it is an A, B, C got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this could be an W, X, ABC is a Y, X is finished. So that Z way is also in the ending diagonal triangle. So if it is a Z, means it can be a end of the here, or if it is at Y, means we have to move this Y to here. So that is my two alternative counts. So let's move on to New Zealand dollar. So that is also same view. If we keep it as an two alternative counts, the 1, 2. So here, if it is the third wave is extended, we have to place here. We have to insert the W, X, A, B, C as a third is completed. So we are on the fourth wave, and fifth wave is may go up to 6.9 also, 6.850 like that, or it has a chances from here itself it may be a reversed. And here also what it happened in that daily chart, I said this is actually this is a 5 wave, and then what I said is it can go up to here and then it can fall. But what happened here, it's again it did a ABC, here it did an A, B, C, and then this is the five-way structure. So whether I am doubt about this wave is a irregular flat and then it can shoot to the downside, or if this is an end of that fourth wave what I said. So this is the five-way structure. Clearly we seen this is a five-way structure. So this is a ABCA and it has a chances to make the another one wave to the upper side is also possible, what I explained here in the previous one. So here also I didn't done anything, I'm just holding that 6770 sell position, still I didn't add anything. So if it breaks this, I may or may not add at the time what it looks here. If it is any confirmation, then I can add the position below this fourth wave. What we have mentioned as a fourth wave, this is not a fourth wave. So whether this is the end of that trend or it has one more way to the upper side is possible. And we had already placed this as a channel, so whether it has to break that also. That is why I just keep watching that. I didn't trade anything this week also. Just I entered in the BTC and I exited that also because I have an alternate count. And I entered in that NKLA, the stock, and it also shooted as per our technical analysis of Elliott waves. I will show you that later. So an Indian stock is doing good, so I have invested in the Indian stock itself. So I didn't done any FX pairs that much from the past week. I said extra earlier itself. I just holding that short position and buying the UCAD, UJ and UHF, everything is there. So let's move on to USD CAD. So what I said here itself from the last week, if it closed below after above this channel and then it has to retest it, then only it isn't confirmed as a bullish. So right now it's look like a bullish. I'm just holding that buying position also from that 1.3030 and it didn't trigger my 1.2970. So I have placed the order itself there 1.2970 and 1.2910. I have placed that still I am having that buy limit order. So as per my view, it's already broken and it is retested. So whether I will switch over to this 1 hour. So here is a correction ABCA, ABCB, and it's looked like a five-way structure is ended. So this is a perfect flat correction. So this is a A, B and C. So it becomes A. This is a B and C is a B and C also 1, 2 and third, fourth and fifth. So this is a perfect flat correction is already ended here. So the whole thing becomes now the A, B, C. So what we have to do is you can place it as a bigger A or maybe it's a W. And here is a five-way structure. Now what it will do is this is an A intermediate wave for the B way structure, and here is one more A and here is a one more A. So what it will do is again it can do like this and then again it may fall. So this is the whole entirely the correction part of A, B and C. So in the flat correction it may above the deeper correction can happen up to 90% also. So again this may retested 1.3030 my entry zone, and then again it can shoot from here. Sorry, once again. From here as a C wave, because once the ABC is a ABC is a B, C is a five-way structure, we need to place as a or W, and this could be an X or B. So C has to shoot. So at that time it will reach 1.3350, the next major resistance zone for this. And what happened? Again the three-way structure. So we may get lot of entries according to that correction part, and then again it can shoot like this, maybe a deeper correction, and then it can shoot. So we may get lot of entries here. So our first target is 1.3850, and then it's according, because the crude oil is also gotten a correction part up to $24. So we won't get immediately like this kind of price action here in this zone. It will be a entry exit according to that wave formation what I explained here. If you know that correction part, then only you can trade here, otherwise you just simply hold the position till the target has reached. But it has to reach. The time factor is the matter, whether when it will reach your target. So because I am telling you, right, this up to this 1.37 to 1.3850, after that again the three-way structure, it will took time, another 3 months, and again after that only it will shoot like this, and retail traders got trapped here, and then it can fall like this. So this is my plan in that positional view. According to this, I have to work for this UCAD. So if I have time to do that intraday what I said, I won't keep any sell limit order or buy limit, whatever it is, in that above stop, buy stop and sell limit, because this is a correction wave, it can do anything. Simply if you watching keep on this only, you will miss all the entries what you are having in the other pairs. So still just hold that and up to 1.380, and if you have a time, if you are looking this pair, if you get an entry, you just keep on add. If it is in the perfect entry, don't want to see what we are learned here is the ABC, but what we will see is different in the chart. What we will see in the chart is different in the triangle. What it happened here, that applying Elliott waves in the real market and the real chart is entirely different, what we are learn and what we are seeing. So if you are too good in that correction part only, you can catch this kind of impulsive wave. Market will do up to 70% of the market is doing the correction, and only 30% is impulsive. See what it happened? It's impulsive, correction, impulsive. It's explaining here is very easy for me, while it is trading it's a very difficult. See, this whole thing is a correction, and then it is an impulsive, but impulsive also is very slow and overlapping because of diagonal triangle pattern. Even though if it is impulsive, it's look too time to reach this target. So understand that market and try to work hard in the correction part, then only you can easily identify that. It's not easily, only in the experience you will get more structure, you can identify and you can read the pattern and the structure of the market, what here it is doing. See, after I am just drawing this line, it is very easy, right? But identify is very tough. See, A, B, C, A, B, C is a B. So C is a 5-way structure. So once the 5-way structure in the C way is completed, we have to mark it as an A or W. Because why I am labeling it as a W means one correction part is ended. So from here it has to come down. There is a lot of chances. But if it is happening like this, and then again if it didn't break this, means this is a connecting. So connecting wave is a WX. So sometime A, B, C can happen. So that again we have to mark it as an Y. But if it is an ABC B, if it is done the 5-way structure, up to 1.3850 also can happen. So this is not have to be like this, what I have said. It can do like this from here, 1 2 3 4 5 also it can do like that. Here what it happened here, 1 2 3 4 5 after the triangle. So that is a A wave. So like that here also A B C A B C B. So C can be contains here itself, it can finish like this here, this C wave, or it could continue as a 1 2 3 4 and 5 up to 1.3850. So what will happen? A B C. So the bigger picture, if it is in daily time frame, it's only one A B C is over. So next what will happen? Again there is a three-way structure. After that again C. So that will suit only 1.42. So you just imagine what the pattern and what the characters will do and what are the structures we can get in that B part or C. C means that is a five-way structure. It can happen only in 5 ways, but there is a lot of 5-way structures. It's a wedge formation. This is the ending diagonal also, or ending diagonal triangle also. So just think where we are and the characters of that structure, market pattern. So let's move on to USD JPY. So this also I already told, there is no movement here from the past 15 days. From here, see, from August 18th to till now, there is no movement. It's nearly 1 month. What I expected, it has to break this as a X. But what it happened, it's doing something. I'm not able to count here what it is happening here. But this is not a triangle. This is not a contracting triangle, because this is an impulsive wave. Just clearly seems a 5-way structure. And here it's also a impulsive wave. So we can't make it as A, B, C as a B, C, D, E, and it has to come down. It's not like that. We can do it as like this. But what is the character inside? Triangle can happen only that three waves. It's not 5 waves. It's not acceptable. This is not a triangle. So that is why I'm not watching this pair. There is no movement here, and we can't unnecessarily we have to labeling the okay 5-way structure is a okay, what you will do this, and again you have to mark it as a and again B and C. After that what it will happen? Say for example this is a 5-way structure and this is also a 5-way structure and this is looking like a B. So after that it has to make a C. So whether it is going to happen to break this low or this low, we can't know. So after that, for this impulsive, it has to make a running flat or it could be an expanded flat. Then it has to drop. So then only this W and X is valid. After that what it has to happen? Again A, B and C. After that it has to fall. So unnecessarily we are no need to watch this page now. You just keep on watching but don't want to labeling, you just keep in the mind. That's it. Whether if it is coming to this zone, I will exit my 2 position what I have added at 104.4, and whether if it is going to the 103.3 or 102.90, I will just keep on adding the position and I will target as in what I said in the previous, right? The 114, 118 is my target. So I will just keep on adding if it comes to the downside, or if in the shorter term if it moves to here the 108, I will exit my 2 position what I bought in the lower levels. And then again after if it reached, I'm expecting to that 103 or 102.8 like that. But if it didn't happen, if it keep on shooting means I just holding that position what I had at 108.65, and once it confirmed I will add my position in the above levels after above that 109.7. Until here there is no trade for me. So let's move on to USD CHF. So USD chef also, I had a little bit doubt whether this is the end of the fourth wave, because this is like a DXY. Whether this is the end of the third, and fourth wave is also A, and B, C is already done. Here also looking like a triangle. So maybe the fourth can end here. It's a B, C, D and E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is also a possible. Or this is the end of, sometimes this could be a, the whole thing becomes B, this is the C. So whether this is a W, X, A, B, C, like that, this whole thing becomes a fourth wave, and fifth wave has yet a chance to make a one more low to the, I have already placed that at 8850. I have placed the order, but I am looking for that 89. Keep on watching this. So it may at least here at 8950, and then it can immediately shoot, because the fifth wave may be a little bit smaller also. It has to just break this, and then it can shoot. So right now, as of now, this is a 1, 2, 3 is done. So whether this is the impulsive wave of the fifth wave, and what it will do is like this, and then immediately fall. So then it could maybe a 1.618 also, if it is that fifth wave is an extended here, because 1, 2, 3 is over, and fourth wave happen, and then fifth wave is a very deeper, and then it can bounce. So anything happen here, or it may shoot from here itself. But I am already in that 0.9285 and didn't add, because I added here and I exited here itself because of the trend line, and immediately it came down. But I am not sure about this wave formation. I am not sure about this kind of wave formation, because that I didn't accumulate here. I am expecting here, and it has to retested exactly, it came downside, but because of this reason I didn't add my position. If it close above this daily, what I said in that UCAD, like that, if it is a retested this channel, then I will decide at that time, not now. Now I'm keep on watching this, whether it is making a 5-way structure to end the fifth wave, or it will continue here itself as a correction or diagonal pattern, because I am expecting a diagonal pattern. From here, if it shoots, means that may be a diagonal pattern, or it could be a 5-way structure also. Here, once again I will show you that. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a leading diagonal also. So for me, it's every wave started like this kind of waves only, the formation of 3 waves. What we think it will be 3-way structure, so again it has to come down, but it will continue like this, keep on overlapping, draining, and then it can shoot. So how I explain in the DXY, 91.75 is a double top, double bottom, so it may continue as a 5-way structure also. So only the problem here is if we keep on watching in that smaller time frame. So what we will do, if it straight away, if it shooted, means what we will do in that smaller time, in the bigger time frame, it's a 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. So we will keep on moving. We don't want to enter in that 15 minutes what it had did. If you saw it in 15 minutes, and you will be confused. It's looking like 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that only you will do. So either it could be in like this of A, 1, 2, or A, B, C is a 5-way structure. No, just I'm talking about that example. So it can do anything, whether this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is also possible. So there is a lot of chances in the beginning, while starting, it will be do like this only, three ways. It looks like a three ways, but that could be an impulsive way. So what is the next? I think we finished up to UHF. Yeah, so today it's very fast because there is no movement in the market. No need to explain everything. All stands in between there only. So let's move on to AUDJPY. See, last week I explained and I didn't done anything. From here I thought it's a like this and it has to come down. Exactly here what it happened? Zigzag formation. It's a B and C. So now the correction part is over. But I didn't done anything. What I said? I don't want to catch that low or high. Need to catch the reversal. What I explained here, if it comes like this and if it did the three-way structure and if it crossed this high, then only we have to buy. So what it did exactly, it did the same. It's a five-way structure and beyond the three-way structure. What we have to do is, now I will explain my trade plan. So whether this is an impulsive one way, so wave 1, wave 2 can't overlap, below it won't go, but B way can go. So if it comes, this is impulsive, this is also impulsive. So what it will do is, like this it may do. What I have to do is, I will enter here in small part, making a stop loss as a here. And then after that, if it moves like this, if it breaks this high, and immediately it won't, sometimes it can shoot, but sometimes it will retest it and then it can shoot. So here we have to enter the another part, making a stop loss as this, or you can make it stop loss as this. But if sometimes, if it is an irregular flat, if it is in the B wave, still this is the wave 1 is completed, still B wave means after the broken this channel, sorry, this high also, the anchor break, the price is not acceptance, immediately it will fall. So what we called it as an Elliott wave is expanded flat, and then after it's taking the all stop loss here and then it can shoot here. So sorry for this confusion. So just keep on watching the playback and you can get an idea here what I am explaining. So what you have to do is, only and the anchor break and retested that B wave, then only you have to enter for that safe entry trade. And if you entered that and if you are in profit also, what you have to do is, you just exit your position here, because we don't know whether this is a continuation to the upper side or whether it will drop from here. And what are the analysis said here, I will show you that why I need to exit the position here. This is an A, B, C, and this is a smaller X, the connecting wave, and immediately same A, B, C is over. So A, B, C is a B, C, B, and A, B, C, C. So here we didn't get any five-way structure to make a place as a A. So this is also a three-way structure. Connecting wave was also three-way structure. Here also a three-way structure. So we did as a W, or here what I did is a W, X and Y I have did. And immediately what it happened, it has to be in next three-way correction. The three-way correction will also come in a running flat. So end of the X wave I have explained in the past video. Now A, B, C is over. So sometimes that C contains of five ways like this. We can expect from here to 71 to 76, nearly 77, so nearly 600 pips is there. Like that it can happen here also. So whether we will continue as a 5-way structure for that 5th wave, CAD JPY. So I will finish this once again, this one AUD JPY, the continuation. So why we have to exit here means whether this is the end of the Z wave or it will be again that Z wave or Y wave also continue as an WXY part also. So if it is there A, B, C, it can make us a W and X. Again A, B and C can go up to above also, up to 81 or 82 or 83 like that. Or it could be the end of that Z wave means Z or Y wave, whatever it is the end of the trend means A, B, C as a zigzag it finished and again A is also completed. So whether we are trying to enter here and making the stop loss of here, and again we have to exit our position here. So because of Y means this is a B, C and again A, B, C, so both are the zigzag like the zigzag, and then again there is a chances for that fall of this wave. So if it is thus, then the trend become bearish. That is why we need to exit the position here itself. Otherwise we have to add, we have to continuation means if it has to break this high, then that will be a continuation what I said, that up to 83 or 84. Up to the next resistance is here, that 80, 81, and then next resistance zone is here 80, 84, 83.9. so that we will see later onwards. So now we move on to CAD JPY. So CAD JPY also, as per my weekly analysis, and this is a daily and weekly I have already shown in the past previous video. So this is the A, so we need to end the B of C of B wave. So whether it is a running flat or it could be an expanded flat, that we can't identify here. So according to that price action we come to know, but right now in that 4 hour, so this is the W, this is the end of the W. Here it may be a X. So here there is a 5-way structure I explained the past week also. So now what I am expecting here is it can go like this and then it can drop. So it may little bit consolidation it may happen here. So if you enter means below this low we can enter, or what I said now, like this kind of formation will happen. You have to enter above this and above this high. So in partly you can enter, otherwise if you are aggressive trader, if you want to take a risk means you can enter here and making a stop loss of here. But the safe trade I suggested is above this B wave or above this high wave, this one, this high. So then that will continue to up to 86, 85, yeah, 84.70 I think so, yeah, up to first target is 84.50, or it can continue up to 87, and then there will be a consolidation. After then only if it is an expanded flat it can go above that, but my bias is maximum up to this zone 84.5 to 86.5. within this zone it has to rejection, we may get rejection here for that to break this low. So this is the end of the B wave, then C wave has to continue to that below. So that this is my view. So right now what I said is that 1 hour chart I am expecting this explanation, this one what I explained here. So whether this could happen like this, because I am doubt little bit here is A, B, C is the 5-way structure means we may get little bit deeper correction also. That is why I am keep on watching, and I will exit, I will enter only above this high or this high. So sometimes it will happen like that to this. That is why I have marked this zone. So whether it didn't break the high, so there is a lot of chances for that B wave, if it is a B wave is irregular flat, and then C wave can come to this zone, whether it is a W, X, A, B, C also. So again the three-way structure can come to the downside. So if you enter above this highs, that is a very safe trade. It will reach you and it will take you to up to 84.5. But in the say it's not a five-way structure maybe, because why means this is an WX, this A is finished, so we are in the B wave, then C wave has to be in diagonal formation or a five-way structure. So like this it will happen. This kind of wave formation I am expecting here. So let's move on to next is New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD also I explained in the weekly. I will tell you. So this is my weekly analysis, the chart. So this A, B, C is a W and X is a running flat, and again A, B, C is a Y is completed. Or you can make it as an A, B, or A, B, C is a W, and this one is a X as an expanded flat here. And again A is already completed. We are in the B wave zigzag formation I am expecting here. So again I am expecting it has to break this low. So nearly 700 pips is ahead, 700 to 1000 pips it's ahead to the fall. So from the daily, if we converted into the daily chart, this is an A, B, C. I think I have, yeah, only this one. Okay. So this is an A, B, C is completed. So here the Y, A, B, C, B, and A, B, C, C is completed as a X wave. So this is clearly seen as a five-way structure, and if it is converted in the 4 hours, this is a five-way structure, and we are also in the five-way structure is completed here. So that means the bigger A is over and we are in the B wave. In the B wave, intermediate wave is a A. So we are in the B wave, and then again C wave has to be in the five-way structure. So I thought this could be an ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, and ABC4 and ABC5. It can reach up to there also. So buying that could be a diagonal triangle also, or it could be an 1. So this was the 2, 3 is ended here. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended, means this is a A. So we are in the B. 1 second. I will remove this because last week I explained this one. So now what I am expecting, up to here it can go and then it can fall and then again it can shoot. So like this formation I am expecting. Otherwise simply if it is from here to here means I have to see this wave formation, because sometimes it will do like this and then it can go like this also, and it make a double top and then it can fall also. So anyway my bias is to the downside. Here it's a 5S and I'm expecting that the correction, and then one more impulsive wave has to happen, and then after that this is an A, so this is the B, and C has to fall. So whether that will be another bigger 5S structure, or if it is an because it's already A is over, so if it is an 5S structure for the A itself, again it can reach this zone, and again for the B, and then again C, it can fall like that also. Otherwise if simply it can move A, B and C like that, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended here. So that means this A will become here after the 5A structure, and then again for the B wave and again C. So whether that will converted into C, like this can happen, A, B, C like that. This could be an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that A will become here, then B, then C, like that can happen. Otherwise this, if it is a A, it is the end of the B, so C can make a 5A structure also. I will yeah. So that we can expect here. So anyway, I am looking for that zone of 89 zone to short with a stop loss of above this. This is a strictly stop loss. There is no change here because it's already an expanded flat, so it won't allow to another to break this and then again it has to come down. It's not like that. So we can make a stop loss above this level 9020, strict stop loss. So let's move on to next is I think US 30. Yeah, US 30 also seems like it's finished that correction what I expected, that 2000 points, and I will explain that also in the past video. I got confused about this wave formation here, and I show it in that on that June week, whether it is looking like a 5-way structure or whether it can make a 3-way structure also, we can do it as. So that is why I have changed here. It's a A or W, and for this A, so this is a running flat for B and C is completed here. So for that, this is an A, B and C is finished. So this W or A here, B or X is the running flat. So for that, how we have to project that target for that, this B wave, this if it is a wave, so this is the B wave. So for that B wave, we have to project for the at the rejection. So exactly we got that 786. So from here it's 29,200. It's already 27,200. So exactly 2000 points what we expected here from this 786, it's already completed. So this is now it's getting ready to shoot from here itself. But if it is a complex correction in that Y or C wave, because this is not a C wave now, I can change this as a W and this as a X because this is a 3-way structure. This is not a 5-way structure. So this is a B, C as finished, completed in the zigzag. Now it can go like this. It can go like this and it can come to the downside. What is the next resistance zone, support zone? Here. This is a support zone. So it can make like this also, that is also valid. So if it does like this, so again the stock market has to fall. So whether it is happening like this or it could be shoot from here itself, because that same thing happened here, but in 3-way structure. So if it is a 3-way structure, this also 3-way structure, again the 3-way structure has completed here. So now it is getting ready to shoot, or if it is a trap for the retail traders in the buy section, so it can go up to this and again it can drop. So after that also this A, B, C as a W, the whole thing becomes a X if it is a deeper correction, and then again A, B, C to the upper side is possible. So I'm not sure about this because from here it didn't break the high also. So whether we are in the correction or it is in the diagonal formation, so that I need to work on this, because this is sometimes it's look like a B, C is a 1, A, B, C 2, and this could be an A, B, C as a W and X. A, B, C can continue like that kind of diagonal triangle pattern. So now all the pairs in the Indian stocks doing like that only. So all diagonal triangle pattern. So whether this could be an end of the trend also, because I had marked this as a 4. Third is ended here, and this is a 3-way structure. The corona drop is the 4th wave, means the 5th wave is only the thing we have to, that ending diagonal or ending diagonal triangle also. So in that case it can go and it can move like that also. So that we have to watch and then only we can come to a conclusion. So up to that we can't say anything, because sometimes if it is a third, this is the 4th, means is the A, B, C, and again A, B, C, So it has a chances for making a irregular flat also. So this is the drop. So irregular flat may go up to about this level also, 32, and then again it may fall also. So if it is in fourth way is still ahead, it can do like that. That is why I didn't done my labelings as a impulsive wave, and that wave here it's moving all three waves. So that is why it's not impulsive to mark it as a 1 2 1 2 1 2 like that. Clearly seen we are it's a 1 2 3. So it's a B C, and again what happened, A B C, it is in running flat, and it can come again to the deeper correction also, there is a chances. So like that it can happen, means how we have to label it is as 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 like that. How many 1 2s we can place it here? So whether until the conclusion whether the fourth way is still ahead or we are in that fifth way of the ending diagonal triangle, so that we will see later. But here we are seeing only the three waves. So right now this is the coming week plan for the US 30, but I didn't done anything. Because of this confusion, I also exited my position at a very small profit, and then I have to watch this, and then only I have to trade. So most of the time I will be watching only, I no need to force the trade to enter in the trades. If it is not any trade setup, you have to be watch only. Don't want to play unnecessarily until you get a confidence in you. Trading is against you only, it's not about, it's a market. All fears, all emotions, it's inside you, not in the market. So mind that, and then if you find the trade setup, then you can go for that. You need to play in that. So until that you don't trade. So most of the time I have read some quote, most of the time you need to be an analyst only. Only the part you have to execute, that is only the trader. So 90% you have to be an analyst, and then only the 10% you have to be trade for the execution part. For enter, then play, if you are in you know that placing the stop loss, you can place the stop loss, and then you can place the TP also. But in my strategy I won't place any stop loss. According to that strategy I will do that, and then I keep on watching. Still now I am in the gold short position only. I will explain that in gold. But for that I have placed a stop loss. So if you get that valid setup, so you can place the stop loss for that. So let's move on to gold. Yeah, gold, I'm just thinking like this ABC triangle, but that happened here, it's not looking like a triangle for me. Maybe everybody, maybe mark it as an this thing as a B, C, D and E. From here it can shoot, but as per, see, everybody looking only this portion, not the previous portion, how they are labeling it as. So what kind of labeling here they did. For me this is the end of the fifth way. So that is why I am looking only for the bearish triangle, and we already finished the A part, and then we are in the B, or whether if it is a W, and we are in that X wave, and then only for the downside only I'm looking. I'm not saying, and my bias is only for that downside, not for the upper side, because my previous analysis showing this is the end of the fifth wave. It can go above this also, not, I'm saying not, it may be, but that will be an irregular flat, mind that. But the trend end here for myself according to my analysis, and I have explained well in the past, I think 2-3 weeks before itself, when here, when the gold was here, I have already showed that it has a drop. Exactly, it did $200. So now what it is doing is It's a triangle, it's a consolidation, a range bound, whatever you can call, accumulation or distribution, we can't know. So now I'm expecting to the drop, but it's looked like a triangle, but for me it's not looking like that, because in 1 hour I will explain. Here is a wave 1, it's a completed, it's 2, and then 3rd, 4th, 5th is completed, right? So 1 2 3 4 and 5, yeah, 1 second, here also that 4th, and 1 2 3 4 5 is ended here. For this here we will mark it as a blue A, this is the B, it's look like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So after this could be an irregular flat, and then I'm looking for this kind of wave formation A, B and C. So whether it has to take the stop loss of 1900, it may be, see, I'm not a market mover, just I'm thinking like that. Here is the ABC, this is over, this whole part is B, that I know. Here also ABC, and after that here is A, B, C. So that means the bigger A, B and C is completed, means for this A, B, C. So this is the bigger A, so bigger B. So this time it can break this low, or if it is an B is an irregular flat, it can go below this 1862 also. But I will exit my position at, and I already placed the TP at 1890. Here I don't want to be greedy, I already placed the target and the stop also. Stop is here above this high 1975, sorry 1985 I did. 1955 I entered and I placed the stop loss at 1985. Here I think so, above that trend line I have placed that 1985, and now I entered here itself 1955, and I informed in that my Telegram group also, as well as one of the 2 or forums and in Facebook pages also. Now I placed the 1985 as a stop and then entered at 1955. I didn't done anything so far, just I keep on watching here. So I already placed at 1890 as a target. So I need to watch, because if it break this 1890 something, I think so 1901, I think so, yeah, 1902.3. so 1900 also I can exit. Once it crossed, means that is valid for that, at any time it can bounce. So whether we didn't know whether it is making a regular flat to this zone again for the 2000 or 2020, like that, for this kind of wave formation has to happen here and then drop, or whether one more idea is it can do like this, it can just go above this high at the time ABCA, ABCB, AB here. If it is over, means because we did as a 5-way structure, so this is the end, means here that D will come here. So A, B and C, it will just cross this, so that is for the end of the E wave, and then it can drop also. So in any conditions there, for me it's looking like a drop, that is why I have entered. I place the stop loss, that's it. Don't want to trade more here, and don't want, just need to watch. If it comes again, you can if you want you can add, if it breaks this, but stop loss must be at 1985, or if you are a little bit means around 1995. That is the invalid zone for the triangle of bearish. I can do like that also. After that, if it comes like this above the level, I will modify that my stop to 1985, so 1995, and then wait for that. So this is my plan, but it will took all the stop loss if they placed thinking like everybody is looking like for that upper side. That is why it's already did the 5-way structure, maybe to trap the Elliott wave traders. ABC can fall, and then it's looked like a ABC, and then again it may fall like this also. Be careful about this. And maybe I'm wrong also. My view can also wrong. I'm not that that much very talented person, right? I'm not the market mover. Just I'm thinking what it may be, or it can do like that. Maybe I wrong too, but I have already placed the stop loss. So like that only we have to trade. Otherwise we can't earn money in this field. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. If it over, whether it can break this low also, or whether if it didn't break means from here also it can bounce. Anything can do, but I won't be in buy. If it is a buy also, if it bounced here, and then again what I said, no, A, B, after the completion above the A wave only we have to trade for only for the intraday or 1 or 2 days. Otherwise you have to place a stop loss and the target also above this. Don't place above that 20, 40 like that. Above this you have to exit. That is valid for that, or before that itself 2000. That is a good trade setup if it comes to ABC. So let's move on to silver. So silver also, my plan is WX is already over. So A, it's getting finished. So we are in the B way. So again it can make like this and then drop. So I'm expecting only that sell trade setup only. And I have mentioned that whether it could be a bigger triangle also. It can do like this also. So in that case, this is not, for me it is not a bullish triangle. I'm looking only for the downside. So this is a. So if it is a B, C, D, E. So just we move to this like this. And it can go up to this. I have already posted that in my Telegram channel also, this triangle. So then what happened? This X will become here, and A, B and C. So this was my trade plan. I'm not looking for bullish. So this is the A, B, C is already done. So this very fast movement, look at this, what I said, no, most of the market doing correction only, that the 70 to 80% of the time market only in the correction, only the 20 to 30% is the impulsive. Whether you are in that to trade and you can label and you can find the pattern in the correction, then only you catch this. It's not so easy to catch that impulsive wave. If you very talented in that correction part only, you can take this trade and you can bank the money here. So this is my trading. And US oil also, it's already broken what we expected. I said right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's did the same, but I thought whether this could be a 1, 2, 3, and here itself it can come to like this, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the third way get extended, fourth way can do like this, and then it can drop. like that only I thought. That is why I didn't done anything. I'm looking only for the sell trade setup now because I didn't enter here. I thought this could be an ABC. From here it has a chances to make like this 42.2. I'm expecting that a zone, but it didn't came, so I'm not worrying about that anyway because I exited my position at 41. You know very well about that trade. My average is 41 and it went to 3.42 the low, and again after that I holding that position and I exited my all the trades in $41 longs. So now I'm looking only for sell here for that shorter term. Mind that if it comes to the $24 I will be in buy side, so only for the shorter term I'm looking for that. But I can change immediately. I didn't short means it's up to me because I'm not so confident in that short because this is the fully 5 waves, it's already done. So whether this could be a 38.2 retracement also, it's already did the 23.6 means minimum it has to come to 34 zone. But what I'm looking here is it won't move immediately to the upper side because this is a 5-way structure. It took 6 months. So next to 1 year, maybe another 6 months it will be in the correction part only. Mind that because it will do like that only, and I already show you that in this. It's a bullish 5 waves and the correction took 1 year from 10th June to 4th September 2017. Here it's a 16. Here it's a 17. So mind that the correction will took more than double the impulsive wave. So from here, example $26 and it moved to $51, nearly $26. Here it did 0 to $43. Mind that. So this time it's nearly 6 months means this will took more than a year also, but minimum we will be here in 6 months. Then that only it will move. It won't immediately, it won't move if it is a 33, 38.2, 23.6, not like that. It won't move immediately. This is the market. It won't move like that. Most of the time market will be in correction. So the correction started means we have to simply trade that C wave. If you are not able to catch, just watch. Enter at in this zone if it comes. Don't want to watch this noise. Don't want to hear this noise. Just look for that trade setup. If you find, see, I'm finding that $24 is a very very good support, 24 to 25. And the next, if it breaks, the next is it's not 17, it's nearly $10. If it breaks this, maybe it can consolidate here in this zone at 19 because in the previous it's already got a rejection there. So maybe $18 the next support zone. So mind that it will took more time. So don't immediately buy or sell here. Just keep on watching and took only the C wave. Now I am expecting here. That is why I have did don't buy because buying is very now it's very because this is a correction. Buying is the correction part. For this correction, this is the against the trend. So that will took more correction. So be in that trend. So anyway we having one more way to the low side is ahead. So be on sell side, you will get like this kind of immediately within the 2 days to 3 days you will get this kind of trade. See from where at least $43 we don't catch here, at least minimum from here on 4th September and 8th September within the 4 days we will get nearly $41, $5. So if you want catch to this kind of waves, we have to be in the correction part. I didn't done anything because you can ask me also. I told you, right, I had one more doubt to the upper side for $45 here, and the stocks start to fall, and this crude also start to fall. But most of the time it be that stocks and crude was correlated, but not only sometimes, not all the times. You mind that. And I think we have to move to Bitcoin. I will explain that Bitcoin also. I entered at 380 in the buy side. I entered here at 380, looking forward for that upper to cross that 1400. This was my plan, because here I took it as a, this thing is B, so C is a 5 as a 1 2 3. So sometimes it looks like a fourth and fifth way is already finished here. So I'm looking for that. Here also I thought this could be in a fourth wave, so this could be an end of the fifth wave also. That is why I have entered at 10,390, and then again it came down, and again this wave is not, I'm not so satisfied. I exited at 450 or 460, exited that, and then I informed in my group also, in my Telegram channel also, because for this I just reviewed my previous analysis in the Bitcoin. I need to show you that why I'm just looking to exit my position. So this I hide that and put it into the daily. This is an A, B, C. One second, I will explain you here in that screenshot. Be patient. Yeah. This is an A, B, and C is completed. And this is also, I explained that this is also three-way in the zigzag. And here is the confusion start, because here we did as an A or W, because it's a W only, so we can mark it as a W. Come on, yeah, it's a W, and this is an X, means this is a connecting wave, means it has to come to the downside. It's not, if we keep it as an, for example, this is an X, we need A, B, and C. So but it didn't done, it's already done A, B, and C, but again the three ways it's doing. So whether it could be a triangle and one more way to the downside, or here is the end of the, one second, this is the one correction, and here also one correction. So for me it looks like A, and this is a A, B, C. Here is a A, here it's a B, and here it's a C, means this will become a B. And C also, it can do like this, it become 1 2 3 4 5. After that again three-way structure, and then again it has a chances to break this low. So this A, B, C, see whatever it is, it's a W or A, whatever you can do it here, and here is a X or B. Again, if it is in 5-way structure, that is C, or if it is a 3-way structure, if it breaks this low, that will become Y. So for this this could be an, it don't want to break this low, it will break only this low, and again it may bounce. So that time what it will happen means this W, this X will become, sorry, we can mark it as a green W. Okay, anyway, and this becomes X and this becomes green Y. After that, this is the end of X wave. So the whole thing becomes a connecting wave. So this was my idea. And okay, I will remove this. If you want, you can make a screenshot for your understanding my view. And I have already did the same count in previous, just what I that is why I recollected my analysis in Bitcoin, because it didn't break this high yet, and there's a 5 waves made in the shorter time frame. It's looked like a WXY, and I mark it as a ABC is a W and X. A is completed, so we are in the B way, and C way has to shoot for 14,000. But whether it can be, I will show you that. Now we will switch to that 4 hour. This we can make it as a 1 here, 2, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. So again we are bigger 1, bigger 2, 3, 4, and this is the end of the 5. So if it is an end of the 5-way structure, we need to be alert. Just we need to look for the previous. It could be a chances for an irregular flat, because sometimes this looks like an this wave. So this could be an A, B, C. This is an impulsive. So lot of confusions, but I'm sure about this could be an from here to here. This could be an irregular flat also, expanded flat, and it's already crossed about 1618 here, near to that. So there is a chances for making this kind of pattern also. So that is why I exited my position. We will, let's see if it is going to the higher also, again 12,500. There will be a lot of space around 14,000. I am expecting nearly 1,500 points. So that is the 1,500 is a very safe. If we are greedy to catch the low here from the 9,000 or 10,000, looking for that 4,500 points, 1,500 is very easy if it breaks this high. So that is why I exited my position in the very minimum profit. So maybe it is a break even. So first we will see whether it is making 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So if it did a 5-way structure, we need to be alert. We can short this from here, or if it breaks this low. So that is also in safety, because we have already a alternative wave count. So unnecessary if we are going to short this pair from here itself, and if it went for the bullish, you may miss the 1,500 points. So whether you have to decide, only if it breaks this high you have to buy for the target of 14,000. Otherwise, if it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, if it completed the 5 waves, then only you have to looking for that making a stop loss of high this, and you can enter. But the safe side is after the breaking of the 5 waves low, you have to enter, means nearly, example, if it is a 9,000, if it breaks, that lower has to break this 4,000, so nearly 5,000 points here. So remind that is that safer trade. That is why I have exited my position. So I think I covered everything. Just we will move on to New Zealand CAD. After that, CAD JPY, New Zealand CAD finished, US 30, gold, silver, crude, and Bitcoin we finished. So now I need to be explain only one chart in that stocks what I did, and I have explained that in the part 1, that Nicolo, the stock. I found one beautiful trade setup, and what I did I will explain here. In that 4-hour chart, it's looking like a 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. In that 5 waves, after that the correction A, B, C, and the C is also a wedge formation, clearly seen 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in stocks it will be like this kind of gap ups, gap downs only. So we have to accept that. So the pattern is so important. So for me it's looked like a wedge pattern. So A, B, C is also, or whether if it is a, it's not a triangle, it's a ABC A, ABC B, and C means if it is a, so we can make it as a B here. We can do it as a 1. This is a 2. So 3, 4, 5. Whatever you can do here. But simple A, B, C in the wedge formation is completed. So once this is a or 1 or B or 2, I found that leading diagonal is a wave 1, and immediately I entered here at on, I think so, on Wednesday, previous Wednesday, at 35.10 here, and again I entered at 33.40, the low. And the next Monday itself there was a news that GM has invested, and it is very interesting to be a part of NKLA, Nikola. So it shooted. But my target when I am entering here is it has to break this high. So I exited one of my position, what I entered at 35.4, I exited one position here. And that next position, I got little bit greedy. So whether if it is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 has to shoot. So we will keep that rest. What happens next day? It's sure to fall. And again it retested where I bought that. So this is the thing happening in the new stocks. Because new stocks we won't get these kind of patterns. So only this pattern I found, and then I entered at the right time, exactly picked the low, and I need to exit here because of my greedy, because ABC is over. So again A over B, and it's already Tesla is also moved nearly from the March $375 to nearly $2,200 within the 6 months. So like that it may be it can go, we don't know anything about that, but I took the risk only for the off position again here. So what it happened here is it's a complex correction. So simply the B is not yet over, it's still there. Whether if it is over the wave 1 A or 2, so this is a 1 means this could be a irregular flat, and then again it can shoot. So this is the chances only. I'm still looking for that, but still I'm having that position what I entered at 33.4. And if it breaks this, so then that this is an invalid. So that time what we have to do is simply this is an W X. So A and one more small wave can go up to B, and then C again it may fall to $10 to $12. This is the major next support zone is here $13, 12.36. So at that time what it will be looking like this, simply it's a correction. Simply we have to just clone that, placed here, and it will come to this zone, and then there is a chances for shoot. So this is an example why I am trying to say, because why I have booked here means nearly 50% I got, right? Exited at nearly 50, 35 I bought, 50 means nearly 45% for this investment. So don't be too greedy. Anyway, I have exited my off position, but if I keep that also means I lose this 45% of profit. It's not 45, maybe now it is a 22.5, right? So this is what I am looking for, the patterns, and what I did, and I have already placed that as a stop loss for the target here. I didn't make a stop loss here, first TP, and I will exit what I bought, but I already exited here, and I thought it may go above this also. If it is a C wave, it can shoot, right? It's already shooted, so that is what I needed, because if it is a B, A, B, and the C means the third wave can shoot very fast. It will reach like this kind of wave formation we can expect. So I think I completed everything, and so thanks for watching. This is the part 2, and part 1 I have already did, and I edit my video and will put together as much as I can did. Otherwise you have to watch part 1 and part 2. So part 1 up to AUD JPY, up to I think 9 pairs I have covered in that. Yeah, up to 9 pairs, and after that is a part 2. So be watch for that both part for this. So sorry for that and apologies for that because of that power backup. So thanks for watching, and we will see in that next video and next week. So have a nice trading week. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.